the ITS 1123 Group Project. Mips Computer Organization and Architecture. Teach by Dr. Zurina Saya.
Hi, my name is Nurul Kalimani binti Muhammad Noor. I'm studying at University Technical Malaysia Melaka in Bachelor of Software Development.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Famdi bin Muhammad. I am from University Technical Malaysia Melaka, and I'm also a Bachelor of Computer Science Software Development.
Hello, my name is Fatisha binti Muhammad Johari. I'm from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. I'm in Bachelor of Science Computer Software Development.
System Introduction. Mips have only a small number of ways, that is, computes addresses in memory. The address that can be an address of an instruction for branch or jump, or it can be an address of data to load and store instructions. How the system works. The MIP architecture is a reduced instruction set computer. This means that there is a smaller number of instructions that use a uniform instruction encoding format. Each instruction or operation does one thing: is memory access, computation, condition, and the other. The idea is to make the lesser number of instructions execute faster. In general, RISC architecture, and specifically the MIP architecture, are designed for high-speed implementation.
Okay, we go to our next topic, which is QTSPIM program. Okay, here is an example, which is a program to be run in the QTSPIM, which is allow user to input 10 random numbers.
Variable declaration. Array is a memory that stores all the input that are entered by user. ASCII is the coding to provide user instructions to enable them to run the system. Input. Please input 10 random numbers. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Sum of all numbers. Average the average of all numbers. Maximum the maximum number. Minimum the minimum number. And remainder the remainder is.
Okay, begin with main. First thing is you need to use li register v04. To print out form, you need to put la register a0 input. Then to load array into register s1, you need to put la register s1 array. Okay, then move to loop input. To input numbers, you need to put li register v05. Then for the first thing is need to sw register v00 register s1. Okay, to move array position, you need to put add I register s0 register s1 4. Then when the loop array where is 1 I plus plus, you need to put a addi register t1 register t1 and 1. And for 1 t1 equals 0, t1 equals 10, t1 plus plus, you need to put branch not equal and register t1 10 and loop input. And the last one, LA S1 array and sub register T1, register T1, register T1. Okay, move to the sorting. To sorting number from big to small. If T2 equal 9, go to con arrange. So branch equal register T2 9 con sorting. Then to move away position, you need to put ADI register S1 4, and then for T2 equals 0, T2 equal 9, T2 plus plus, you need to put add I register T2 and 1. Okay, if T3 more than T4, back to arrange. You need to put BGE register T3, register T4 sorting. And then to exchange position, you need to put SW register T3 0 register S1. And then if T2 equal 9, go back to arrange, which is branch not equal register T2 9 sorting. Then for a con sorting, continue sort with the same way, which is LA register S1 array. Then if T1 equal 9, go back to arrange, which is branch not equal register T1 9 sorting. And the last one is print out form. You need to put li register V0 for and LA register A0 arrange. Okay, for the print sorting, you need to put li register V0 1, and then LW register A0 register S1. For the print out form, you need to put li register V0 for, and then LA register A0 space. And then if T1 equal 10, back to print sort, which is branch not equal register T1 and then 10 print sorting. And then for the sub ST1, register T1 and register T1, then LA register S1 array. To print out form, you need to put li register V0 for, then LA register A0 sum.
For total, T3 is for array S1. We must put add register S1 4. T4 is equal to T3 plus T4. Add register T4, register T3, register T4. For T1 equal to T1 plus 1, we must put add register T1, 1. If T1 not equal 10, go back to sum all. We must put branch not equal register T1, 10 total. Move register T4 to register A0. Move register A0, register T4 to print out the sum of all number. Load input register V0, 1. To print out from LI register V0 4, LA register A0 average. To register T7 into 10, we must add register T7, 10. To register T4 into T4, divide 10, divide register T4, register T7. To move question to S7, MFLO, register 7. To move remainder to S6, MFHI, register S6. To move S7 to A0, we must move register A0, register S7. To print out question, LI register V0 1. To print out remainder, LI register V0 4, LA register A0 remainder syscall. To move S6 to A0, move register A0, register S6. To print out remainder, LI register V0 1 syscall.
Load array into S1. LA register S1 array. Print out prompt. LI register V0 4. LA register A0 maximum. It will sort the number into ascending order. Syscall. Load number in array into T5. LW register T5 0. Register S1. Move T5 to A0. Move register A0. Register T5. As for printout number, LI register V0 1 syscall. Printout prompt. LI register V0 4. LA register AO min. Means it will assort the number according to descending order syscall. Load number in array into T6. LW register T6 36 register S1. Move T6 to A0, move register A0, register T6. Print out number, LI register V0 1 syscall. End of the program. To end of the program, LI register V0 10 syscall.
Program output. Okay, let's see how the Mips program works. Okay, first thing is you need to load the file first. Okay, choose the file which is HSM. After load the file, you click the one button. Then after click the one button, they ask you to please input 10 random numbers. Okay, we begin with number 1, then 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one 10. So the result is, as you can see, that the numbers in descending order could be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0, 1. And the sum of the number is 55. And the average of the number is 5. And also the remainder is 5. And for the maximum number is 10. And the last one is the minimum number is 1. So hopefully you guys understand.
Thank you for watching. Bye!